He would, at the end, they were.
Heavy, don't drag him. Run up there and show Aunt Krista how he follows you.
Who's that girl with the
There go the kids. Get the kids. Let's go. Let's go on up. Show Mommy how you trick or treat.
Come on, Luke.
Come on. Look at, they're up there. Go get them. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hurry to the candy. Hurry. Hurry to the candy. Go on. Go on. Come on, little monkey.
Has he been saying trick or treat?
He did. We think he said it twice, but we weren't sure.
Trick or treat. Oh, I heard him just say treat.
Hey! Alright. Bounty hunters, so take care of all the babies.
Come on up here.
I like little ones.
Okay, show her how you do your little monkey trick.
Oh, okay.
Now
Okay,
jump.
ready? Go up there. Give her a little jump.
Can you give me a little jump? A monkey?
Jump. Let him go.
Jump.
You gotta jump, Luke.
Lukey.
Oh, he's trying to knock on the door.
I'm right here.
Okay. Jump.
I do this because I have 2 beagles.
Oh, Abby, come over here.
Do you know what beagles do all night long?
Oh, yay!
There's the jump.
Thank you. Come here.
Luke, do you want some candy?
Come here.
Over here.
Trick or treat.
Turn around.
Go say trick or treat.
Okay, put your back.
Trick or
I wait all
treat.
day for little kids. I just
Dad,
had 3 girls,
say thank
not even
you.
dressed up.
I know, I saw that.
I said, you didn't dress up? Oh,
Hey, Chris, are you videotaping this?
next shift,
I
we'll
am.
sign, they'll pass on candy.
I am videotaping it, crazy hair.
Very
Put a comb in your hair. Hey, Krista, he should put a comb in his hair. Put a comb in his
I saw the comb sitting on the table. Good job, Luke. Did you say trick or treat?
Trick or treat. Here, now run. He usually runs real fast.
There we go.
I'm running real fast to the house. It's cold.